Yes, in the today's session, we are going to discuss about H parameters. H parameters are also called as hybrid parameters. These parameters are very useful in constructing models for transistors. In the first class, I told while discussing two-port parameters, I give an example as a two-port parameters are used for constructing transistors. For that, H parameter is suitable. The transistor parameters cannot be calculated using either short circuit admittance parameter or open circuit impedance parameter. Once again, I will repeat. The transistor parameters cannot be calculated using by either short circuit admittance parameter or open circuit impedance parameter. So here these parameters are obtained by expressing voltage at input port and these parameters are obtained by expressing voltage at input port and the current at output port in terms of the current at the input port and the voltage at the output port. I mean to say that here current and voltage are independent variables, but I1 and V2 are independent variables, while current I2 and voltage V1 are dependent variables. So nothing but V1 and I2 are the dependent variables. These two dependent variables we are going to express. These two dependent variables we are going to express as a function of independent variables as I1 V2. Here also I1 V2. Okay. In equation form, you are writing these two equations as in equation for above relations. These two relations can be written as V1 is in terms of H parameters H11 I1 plus H12 V2. Second dependent variable that is I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Okay. Here, in case of H parameters or hybrid parameters, in the next further we are going to discuss why it is called as uh, hybrid parameters. We are going to discuss here. V1 and I2 are the dependent variables. These two dependent variables expressed as a independent variables I1 and V2 in equation form. We return these two things. So represent as equation 1 and this is equation 2. In matrix form, if we are writing the above two equations, the above two equations can be written as in matrix form. Dependent variables I1, sorry, V1, I2 is equal to H11, H12, H21, H22 multiplied by independent variables I1, V2. Okay. Now let us calculate these individual parameters. Let us calculate these individual H parameters by making short circuit. So first case, let V2 equal to 0. Let V2 equal to 0 means V2 is present at the, see I will sketch here two port network. I2 is entering at the port 2, voltage across this is V2. Here I1 is entering, here voltage is V1, two port network. This is port 1 input port, this is output port. So if V2 is 0, V2 is 0 means V2 is present at the port 2 output port, then port 2 is short circuited. That is port 2 is short circuited. short circuited. Okay. Next, if you substitute this V2 equal to 0 in equation 1, if you substitute V2 equal to 0 in equation 1, then equation 1 becomes V1 equal to H11 I1. So let us calculate two hybrid parameter or H parameter H11, that is H11 equal to V1 by I1. H11 equal to V1 by I1. This relation we got, this ratio of voltage by current we got when V2 equal to 0. V2 equal to 0 means port 2 is short circuited. Now tell me, the parameter H11 is called as, it is the ratio of voltage by current, that is ohm. SI unit is ohm. Hence the parameter H11 is called as it is because of what, it is V2 equal to 0, is called as circuit short circuit ratio of what, V by I. So that is, one means at the input side, short circuit input impedance is called as short circuit input impedance. Similarly, in equation 2, substitute V2 equal to 0, what will get? I1 is equal to, so in equation 2, I2 is equal to, this is equation 2, I2 is equal to H21 multiplied by I1 plus H22 V2. Okay, so then we got I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Here this becomes 0 means, I2 is equal to H21 multiplied by I1. Correct? Now further simplification. H21 is equal to I2 by I1, V2 equal to 0. Correct? V2 equal to 0. So the parameter H21 is called, it is also because of what, V2 equal to 0, short circuit. Short circuit See, observe here. 2 indicates at the port 2 side and 1 indicates at the input side. Output by input is there. But what about numerator and denominator? Both are currents. Hence, the parameter H21 is called as short circuit forward current gain. Why it is forward? It is the ratio of output parameter. 2 means output, 1 means input. It is the ratio of output parameter to the input parameter. Because of that reason, it is the forward. And both numerator and denominator both contains current values. Hence, forward current gain. Output by input means always gain. Hence, the parameter H21 is called as short circuit forward current gain. Okay. Now, similarly, let second case number 2, let us make I1 equal to 0. I1 equal to 0 means the current I1 is present at the input port side. I1 equal to 0 means port 1 is open circuit. Keep remember, you have to remember, if you are making current equal to 0 means it is open. If you are making a voltage equal to 0 means it is short circuit. Current equals to 0, open. Voltage equals to 0, short. That point you have to remember. Then substitute I1 equal to 0 in equation 1. We are getting V1 equal to H12 V2. Hence H12 equal to V1 by V2. This is because of what? I1 equal to, this is because of what? I1 equal to 0. Okay. Now let us define what is H12. The parameter H12 is what? I1 equal to 0 means it is open circuit, correct? Open circuit. The parameter H12 is open circuit. Open circuit. In the numerator and the denominator, both the values are voltage. But observe, it is the ratio of what? Input parameter. One indicates input, two indicates output. It is the ratio of input parameter divided by output parameter. Means it is reverse. So it is the parameter H12 is called as open circuit. Parameter H12 is called as open circuit reverse voltage gain. Reverse voltage gain. Clear? The parameter H12 is called as open circuit reverse voltage gain. Is it clear? Okay. Next, similarly, substitute I1 equal to 0 in equation 2, then equation 2 becomes I2 equal to H22 multiplied by V2. Hence, H22 is equal to I2 divided by V2. This is because of what? When I1 equal to 0. Now let us define the parameter H22. The parameter H22 is called as, see, the parameter H22 is called as, it is the what? We got this parameter H22 because of what? I1 equal to 0. I1 equal to 0 means it is open circuit. Am I correct? Open circuit. Open circuit. What about both are 2 at the numerator side as well as the denominator side? Both are 2 means output. 2 indicates output. Hence, it is the ratio of what? I by V is there. So SI unit is more. I by V is there. Hence, it is the open circuit output admittance. Open circuit output admittance. Hence, we calculate all the parameters H11, H12, H21, H22. So the parameter is, all the parameters calculation is over. Now the question is, why H parameters? Why H parameters? Why H parameters are called as
Sir,
hybrid? Yes.
so admittance means Y parameter, no? So you are explaining H parameter.
See, you are very good question. What is this relation indicates? I by V.
I by V.
What is the SI unit of I by V?
What is it? I don't know what will tell that, sir.
What?
I don't know, sir, what is it called as.
I by V relation.
Resistor.
See,
Hmm.
I equal to what?
To V by R.
V equal to I into R. Ohm's law, correct?
Yes, sir.
V equal to I into R. Ohm's law. As per Ohm's law, we written here. Now, I equal to V by
V
R.
by R.
Correct? Fine.
Yes, sir.
And substitute these values here. I equal to what? Now, H22 equal to, in general, I am writing I equal to what? I equal to
V
what?
by R. V by R.
V by R. And uh, divide by, whole divide by,
V2.
what is that? V2 is there. V
V2.
nothing but, V nothing but I into R.
Yes, sir.
Next simplification. Simplify.
Wait, sir. V by R.
Simplify.
Yes, wait. V divided by IR square.
It means what?
Hmm. Wait.
V means this one nothing but what? I into R, correct?
IR. Yes, sir.
I get cancels. One R get cancels. 1 by R. Reciprocal of resistance, correct?
Yes, sir.
Reciprocal of resistance is nothing but it is called as mho.
Move, yeah. Move.
Reciprocal of
Got it.
resistance is called as mho. Okay.
Move. Yes, sir.
Reciprocal of resistance or reciprocal of impedance is called as mho. So because of that reason, SI unit is S22 equal to what? I by V is there. Because of that, SI unit is mho. Clear? Now, is
Yes.
it clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
H parameters are called as, why H parameters are called as hybrid parameters? For this question, see, already we calculated all the four H parameters. Now the parameter H11, the parameter H11 has SI unit ohm, and the parameter H22 has SI unit mho. So all above parameters are having different units such as ohm for short circuit impedance, and more for open circuit admittance. So why H parameters are called as hybrid parameters? For this question, answer is all above H parameters are having different units such as ohm and mho. Because of that reason, the parameter H parameters are called as hybrid. Hybrid means mix. Hybrid means what? Mix. Means hybrid parameter. So next concept is, let us discuss equivalent uh, network, equivalent circuit of two-port network in terms of hybrid parameters. Equivalent circuit of a two-port network. Two-port network in terms of hybrid or H parameters. Okay, I'm going to sketch. First I will sketch, afterwards I will give the explanation. This is port 1, input port, or we can say now current I2 is entering to 2 dash. This is port 2, or we can say output port. Okay, let us discuss here. Now current I1 is entering here. Okay, this parameter is H11 because H11 is what? How we discuss H11 is a short circuit. Short circuit impedance. Impedance means if it is a impedance, always we know that impedances are connected in series with voltage. So this should be what? This should be voltage source, dependent voltage source. If H11 is a what? H11 is a short circuit impedance. We know that impedances are always connected in series with voltage source. So it becomes voltage source. So we represent a diamond symbol. Inside the diamond symbol, plus minus means it is a dependent voltage source. Which kind of dependent voltage source? Which kind of dependent voltage source? Anybody? It is a dependent voltage source, correct? But which kind of dependent voltage source? It is the
Current dependent.
no.
Voltage dependent.
See, listen, very simple. I will give you one hint. H11 is what? How we got H11? The parameter H11 we got because of what?
V2 equal to 0.
Very good. This we got because of what? V2 equal to 0. We calculated H11 parameter by short circuiting V2. So because of that reason, it is called as short circuit input impedance, correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, short circuit input impedance. One more point, second point, always impedances are connected in series with voltage source. So because of that reason, this one is dependent voltage source. But the question is that which kind of dependent voltage source it is, whether it is a voltage dependent voltage source or current dependent voltage source. Remember, see, we got H11 because of what? Because of what?
Dependent voltage source.
Yes, very simple. H11 we got because of what? When we make V2 equal to 0, because of that reason only we got H11. So this is in series with voltage source, dependent voltage source. So it depends on what? It depends on what?
Voltage.
Voltage.
Yes, very good. H1 to V2. Hence, it is a voltage dependent voltage source. Clear? How we sketch this one? This part? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let us move on to the output port side. This parameter is what? This is H22. This is what? H22. H22 is a what? Is the parameter H22 is a open circuit output admittance. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
The parameter H22 is a, here I will write, it is a open circuit output admittance. So when we got H222, the parameter
I1 equal to 0.
the parameter H22 we got when we make I1 equal to 0. So if it is the admittance, we know impedances are connected in series with voltage, admittances are connected in parallel with
Current.
current source. No. See, always remember, voltages are always in series, currents are always in parallel. So the admittance is connected in parallel with current source. This is current source. So the diamond symbol, inside the diamond symbol, arrow mark is there. Because of that reason, it is called as a what? Dependent current source.
Current.
Dependent current source. Which kind of, next question is, which kind of dependent current source it is, whether it is a voltage dependent current source or current dependent current source?
Current dependent.
Current source.
Very good. Now tell me the value of this one. Why it is, okay, my next question is, why it is a current dependent current source?
Because I1 equal to 0, na sir.
Yes, this current source we got because this current source is in parallel with parameter H22. This dependent current source is in parallel with parameter H22. This parameter H22 we got when we made I1 equal to 0. So it depends on what? I1. It depends on what? I1. Hence it is a current dependent
Current source.
current source. Now tell me the value of this one.
H21 I1.
Very good. Very good. H21 I1. Absolutely correct. Hence we sketched the equivalent network or equivalent circuit. Equivalent circuit or equivalent network of a two-port network in terms of hybrid parameters, or we can say in terms of H parameters. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next we will move on to conditions. Two conditions we will see. First condition is about symmetry of H parameters, and next condition is uh, reciprocity of H parameters. Condition of symmetry. Condition of symmetry. Tell me the condition of symmetry. It is different.
H11
So,
equal to H22.
no, not like that. H11 multiplied by H22 minus H12 multiplied by H21 is equal to 1. It is the condition of symmetry for H parameters. Next, condition of what is next case?
Reciprocity.
Reciprocity.
Condition for reciprocity. Okay. Condition of reciprocity of H parameters. So what is the condition? Condition for reciprocity, that is H12 is equal to minus H21. It is the condition of reciprocity. Okay, in the today's session, we discussed about definition of H parameters. Then we calculated all the four H parameters: H11, H22, H11, H12, H21, H22. So first we calculated H11 parameter by making V2 equal to 0, nothing but output port or port 2 short circuit. Because of that reason, the parameter H11 is called as short circuit input impedance. Then similarly, V2 equal to 0, we substituted in the equation 2, we got H21 parameter. The parameter H21 is called as short circuit forward current gain. Next, second case we taken I1 equal to 0. I1 equal to 0 means I1 is present at the input port side. So because of that reason, I1 equal to 0 means port 1 is open circuited. Then we substituted this equation I1 equal to 0 in the equation 1. We got the parameter H12. H12 is the ratio of what? V1 by V2 because of I1 equal to 0. Hence the parameter H12 is called as open circuit reverse voltage gain. Similarly, we substituted I1 equal to 0 in the equation 2. Then we got the expression as I2 equal to H22 into V2. So the parameter H22 equal to what? I2 by V2 because of what? I1 equal to 0. Hence the parameter H22 is called as open circuit output admittance. Then we discussed why H parameters are called as hybrid parameters, because it is all the above parameters, nothing but all these H parameters have different both the cases, nothing but different SI units are there, impedance as well as admittance, mho as well as nothing but ohm as well as mho is there. Because of that reason, mixing is there, mixing of impedance and admittance is there. Because of that reason, H parameters are called as hybrid parameters. Then we discuss equivalent circuit of a two-port network in terms of hybrid parameters. Then finally, we discuss two conditions: condition for symmetry and condition for reciprocity. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the next class, in the next session, we are going to discuss numericals on H parameters or numericals on hybrid parameters.